Here at the Indianapolis Airport, one of our main objectives is sustainability. And so as we were looking at shuttle buses, we decided that that would be potential and an option.
We found a way that we can reduce our carbon footprint by going with all electric buses.
It reduced the emissions by 15 million pounds of carbon. That is equivalent to planting 37,000 trees. By converting from diesel to electric, we reduce our diesel usage by 66,000 gallons of fuel a year. The other benefit, other than air quality, was we diverted 90 tons of material that was destined to be disposed of in a landfill and gave it new life.
The chassis themselves are actually recycled. It's a 2001 bus that was going to go to a landfill. Instead, the whole fleet was completely refurbished. And as you can see, it has a completely new interior, new drivetrains, and become all electric. So that we're not only recycling, but we're also zero emissions. There were concerns to begin with going electric. Obviously, it's a whole different infrastructure. Maintenance is different, and operating the buses is different than a diesel.
It takes 6 hours to charge the bus to a full capacity. With a full charge, the bus can run for 120 miles, and that will actually last us for a full 8-hour shift. Passengers are always really excited about how smooth the buses run, how quiet they are. One thing is when you make a left or right turn, that there's a voice announcement because the buses are so quiet. We want to let people outside know that this big bus is coming so that they can be safe and know where it's located.
Warning, bus turning left.
With all the positive feedback of these electric shuttle buses, the plan is to continue to grow the fleet and eventually become completely electric.